households receive physical goods like vegetables, fruits, groceries, packaged goods, etc., viruses like COVID-19 survive on their surfaces for up to 5 days. Dealing safely with these goods is necessary to avoid catching an infection. UVC light kills viruses on surfaces within minutes. Introducing UVKlean, which provides an effective, safe, elegant, and cost-effective solution. While competing UV boxes deliver 0.5 watt per liter or less, the UVKlean delivers 1 watt per liter power to kill the viruses. Available in sizes of 170 liters and 75 liters, the UVKlean just takes 3 to 15 minutes to eliminate 99.9% of viruses. It's 100% safe and maximizes performance with efficient, high-quality manufacturing. Its sturdy, elegant, and sleek body melts into any room. With an easy one-button operation and a great price per liter ratio in the market, it's the best investment you can make. You owe it to your family to keep yourself safe and to protect yourselves from infection.